Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with what matters: access and proof. Sign into Applid. Apple. Com using your Apple ID. If prompted, enter the password and start two-factor recovery. Once done, choose whether you have a trusted device or only a recovery key. That decision changes the next steps. Make sure your phone can receive SMS or calls and that you control any trusted devices listed. This gets you into the verification flow fast and prevents wasting time on unnecessary settings. You now verify identity. If a trusted device is available, approve the sign-in prompt or enter the 6-digit code shown. This re-establishes 2FA quickly. If you lack devices, enter your recovery key when prompted. If that's missing, choose Start Account Recovery and follow the prompts. Apple will ask for contact info and confirm identity over time. Once started, note the estimated wait and keep your contact method active so Apple can reach you and complete the process. After access is restored, immediately review security settings, add trusted devices, update phone numbers, or create a new recovery key and save it offline. Once done, re-enable two-factor authentication if needed and test by signing out and back in. If something fails, use the Account Recovery Status page or call Apple support with your case ID. They can expedite verification. One key troubleshooting tip: if approvals don't arrive, toggle network settings and try on another trusted device to rule out connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.